Hello everybody and welcome back to another one of my videos. Today I'm at home. See, it's raining outside, so didn't go down the allotment today like we usually do. So Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays we usually go down there, but because of this said there's going to be torrential rain today, we decided to stay in. So I've got my onions here, which I started from seed. I know most people grow from the onion sets, but these are different onions. These are like show onions. So I've got onion globe exhibition, and then I've got a jumbo sweet one as well. So I've got I started seeding them from before, so this is how they've come on. So how you want them? You want them when they're kind of got like a little crook over the top. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take out some and then repot them in here. So what you have to do, just go in. Right, let's see if I can get one. I know this is, a lot of people don't want to do it this way, but this is your onion. You've got your seed at the top there. Oh, cameraman coming. You've got your seed at the top there, then you've got your root there, and then you've got a little bulb what's starting to form in the middle there. So what you want to do, you make a hole in your cell tray and that, or if you're going to plant them out straight, you can plant them out straight as well. But I'm just re-putting them because these are show ones. The sets now are just put straight into the ground. Then you want to get these, and then you want to put them up to where you see the white bit, and just cover that in. So you just put in one onion in each cell. Put another one there. See there, the root and the seed there. Don't worry about the seed will soon come off. Just going to make another hole in there. If you've got ones with long root, then you can put the root in. Just give it a little tap down. This is a bit going to be a bit fiddly, but that's how you got to do. If you're going to do these type of onions, that's how you got to do them. Just take your time, go through them, look for the ones what look strong. If they look weak to you, don't bother with them. And this mix is just the same mix what I use for most of my plant, which is a bit of coir, compost and perlite, and a little bit of blood, fish and bone. So where they're looking weak, weak and that, I'm not going to be using those ones. So like these are the big show onions, what they're used for, like show. Someone sent me the seeds, so I said I'll give them a try this year and see what happens. So seeds, hopefully they'll come back up. So that's how you want them. You just want them, once you know they're ready for transplant, the top just goes on a slight curve, so you know that they're ready for transplanting. So I'm going to just be leaving these in there until when they get a bit established a bit more. Then you've got the individual cells to transplant them how you want to transplant. So I hope you're enjoying our videos. I know some people's been saying what's happening to our channel, the watch thing, since YouTube has started changing all this thing and doing new features and things to the channels. Our views have just dropped down significantly. Trying to find the word now. Significantly. Um, Something that I'm trying to address with them, because like we was getting large amount of views. Now our views have gone down quite a lot, less than half of what we used to be getting before. So that's one thing what we've got to try and address with them. I've heard a lot of other channels saying the same thing about it. Since they've done all these changes, their views and everything's gone down. They're saying it's to get your channels earning more and that, but I can't see where it's earning anything. So I think they've got that bit wrong as well. So, but if you're watching, please remember to like, share and subscribe. If there's anything that you want to see us do, just drop me a comment in the comment section. We do answer that, then we do go through our comments and that. You might not see a lot of comments on there, but we get questions from other places as well, so just bear that in mind. Right, so that's that on the end. See that one? That one's weak. And that's just bowing over, so I won't use that one. So I'm going to carry on with this, and when I've done this trade, and I'll show you what it looks like. Right, everybody, so nearly got the first one finished. Thing is, I'm pulling them up and then I'm trying to see which way up they go. So I've got this and I've got the sweet ones to do. I have to go out into the garden, but it's raining too much at the moment, so that's what I'm watching for when they break. Try not to break any. So if you like our videos, like, share and subscribe like I said. Tell a friend to tell another friend. If you want to leave a comment, you can leave a comment in the comment section. We will get back to you on them. And I hope you all enjoy this one. And thanks for watching. I'm not going to show you me doing the sweet ones because it's just going to be the same procedure anyway. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you all on the next one. You take care.